In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down a $29 billion market and an amazing e-commerce store in this market that I think we can learn a ton from, as well as their marketing strategy and how you can replicate something similar with your own Shopify store so that you can start making an income online, or so that you can just learn more about this particular market if you're an investor or if you're just curious about things like I am. First and foremost, the market I'm talking about is the home office market. This is one of my favorite markets because I have a home office and I like to customize it and do cool things with it. I mean, honestly, it's pretty simple. My home office is not that crazy. The craziest thing I have in here is a Japanese mat back there and maybe this like IKEA Virgil Abloh sculpture bag. But all in all, home offices are becoming bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Now, the brand that I wanted to show you today is called Herman Miller. You may have heard of them. They're extremely famous because of their chairs in particular. Not everything in terms of home office, but particularly chairs, which is, of course, a huge thing. But funny enough, I got a trend to show you today that kind of goes directly against the chair trend. And that trend, I'm just going to give it to you right now. It's the walking pad trend. If you take a look at this, this is a part of the home office niche, believe it or not. And it's getting 550,000 monthly searches. That is clear demand. Like, there's no better indication for strong demand than people just literally looking up walking pads. And as you see, it's just continuously rising. It peaked in December 2024. And, I think we'll probably have an even bigger year for them, but it doesn't populate quite yet here on the ShoppyLab.ai platform. However, it doesn't take a genius here to predict that this is just going to continue to go up. Now, Herman Miller specifically, let's dive into their e-commerce store. You can see, first and foremost, their traffic is incredible. So they're getting 2.7 million monthly visitors, primarily from the US, which is exactly how I like to run my Shopify stores as well, primarily getting US traffic. And funny enough, actually, one of these stores that I built yesterday did $3.4 thousand and over $1,000 of pure profit yesterday. And my agency also sees a ton of ad spend. So I get to see a lot of data. And that's really where my data-driven methods and ideology come from. That's why I love to show you all this data so that you can launch your business with, of course, your own taste and ideas and brand ideas in general, but also with a dash of data, right? A lot of data, actually, so that you can make better decisions and ideally find success quicker. But you can see this distribution of traffic is just beautiful. I love to spot brands like this. When you just see a brand doing, going up and to the right, that's what I call it. It just makes you feel like you're studying something that is worth studying, right? There's a lot of golden nuggets that we can learn from. So that's the first thing. They're getting a ton of traffic primarily from the US. Second thing, I really love their aesthetic. I mean, I think their aesthetic is so brilliant. It's so simple, right? I mean, it's a very simplistic, almost minimalist aesthetic, which I love. I really gravitate towards these kinds of stores personally, and a lot of consumers do too. As you see, these chairs are not cheap, but let's actually just look at this main one right here. And yeah, you'll see it's $1,500, and it doesn't look that crazy. I don't have one of these chairs, so maybe, I'm uncultured when it comes to this, but a lot of people love them. They are extremely expensive though. I do like this desk. Standing desks are another massive trend within this market. So that's the cool thing about finding these markets, right? Is that there's just so many potential opportunities. In fact, I also did a little keyword research here in the ShoppyLab dashboard or platform rather. And you can see the home office keyword specifically has 550,000 monthly viewers or monthly searchers, which is just as big as the walking pad one alone, right? So this one product is like breaking out of the home office space. It's as big as the entire category, which is pretty cool. And that's what's really cool in my opinion about just like building a niche marketplace or even a general like lifestyle marketplace on Shopify, is that you can tap into all these different product categories. So pretty much every year there's a new product category that pops off like this one, and you can capitalize on it. So yeah, their product pages are extremely simple. They're really beautiful though. Like, it explains everything. It shows you related products. It shows you kind of like the use cases. It shows you real people using them in their spaces. These are real influencers that have posted about them. And then of course, reviews. Very simple structure. Honestly, almost every single e-commerce store follows this exact same structure, which is just a winning structure, So you don't need to overcomplicate it. You don't really need to reinvent the wheel. You can just make something very similar with a similar aesthetic, but your own product here, right? And then I would use AI to create studio level shots just like this. Now, there's a lot of products in this category. I would suggest if you wanted to start your store, I'll just tell you the simplest way is to use our store builder. So we have an AI store builder, absolutely free. It'll give you the same theme that we're using on our store here. This one store, it's literally the exact same theme. And I have other free YouTube videos where I show you how to edit that theme. But anyways, that's the first step. And then you also are going to want to source your products from our sourcing platform here. So we have all of our sourcing partners at shopilab.ai. This is a free platform. You can literally just log in for free, use this for free. And you're going to want to click on the Team Drop one. Team Drop has one of the best selections of products, and you can actually source directly from places like 1688 or Taobao at factory prices. So that's what's really cool. There's a lot of really interesting products in this category. In particular, we can see, let's just look at these office chairs. I mean, of course, these are not Herman Millers, and I'm not claiming that this is the same by any means, but, it's a lot more affordable. I'll say that, right? This is the only downside to this niche that I really personally stay away from. I tend to stay away from these kind of products, although you can get really fast shipping because they're just super big. And big products are extremely expensive to ship on a per unit basis. But even on a not per unit basis, but specifically on a per unit basis, if you wanted to do a lean inventory model like drop shipping, which is what I recommend, and that's what Team Drop enables you to do. That's what we're doing on this store. That's why it was cash flow positive from the day that we launched, which is just amazing. And that's why I believe this is one of the best ways to, jumpstart your entrepreneurial journey, because you learn so many skills by building a Shopify store, and there's very little downside risk if you run this strategy. So that's a pretty interesting product, but there's literally thousands. I mean, like I just said, there's walking pads, even just something like this, like a desktop cooling fan. That's actually super relevant. And this one is a lot better in terms of the shipping fees, right? Only $17. If we look up, let's see, desktop air conditioner. Let's just do a quick research. We can see some people are charging insane prices for stuff like this, right? $44, $40, $78. We'd probably price somewhere around here, right, for something like this. And if we did that, so just one real quick thing too, if you go to the Shopilab platform and you go to ROAS calculator, it's free. Let's just put our cost of goods here. We found this for $17.80. I'm just trying to keep it super simple for you guys. $17.80, and let's say we sell this for $69.95. Let's just make it even better there than these competitors. Boom, we have a pretty good break-even return on ad spend, $49 margin. I mean, that's beautiful, right? This can be profitable with meta ads from day one, and that's so you can build a cash flow positive business from day one without inventory and selling quality products. That's also the reason why I suggest Team Drop, not only because it's free and I use them on all my stores right now that ship directly from China, but also because all the products that I have sold from Team Drop are just the default products are good quality. Of course, you can improve and add branding elements and things of that nature, but just the default products alone are just really high quality. So we get returning customers and we get, people that are actually happy about their order, and that's really important. Anyways, the next thing I want to show you about them is their ads, because this is the second part of the strategy, right? I mean, you have a website, you have a product, you have a market, but how do you actually get people to buy stuff on there? How do you get people to your site? And the best way is two ways. One, running ads on Meta. Running ads on Meta is never going to steer you in the wrong way. Also, running ads on Google is extremely powerful. And that's why, for example, in the walking pad space, you can see all these people looking this up. I mean, that's prime time Google real estate that you could be advertising in, right, for your brand. So super powerful to use Google. But I really like Meta because you're kind of creating demand, right? You're not only capturing demand, but you're also creating demand. And you can just do some pretty interesting things. And what I would suggest here is what I'm about to do right now, which is I want to analyze their oldest running ads. And I actually found this brand. I've known about this brand, but how I got inspiration for this is I was browsing the Discovery tab in Shopee Lab. So yeah, Shopee Lab is a really cool platform. I love it. I use it every day. Just use it for free though. I don't want you to spend your money on it on some of the paid tools if you can't afford it. You can literally just use the Meta Ads library. It's literally free. But that's how I found it. I just saw it right here and I was like, whoa, that's interesting. That's a pretty neat looking ad. It's very minimal. So, you see some of their longest running ads. If we just scroll all the way to the bottom here, this is their oldest running ad since May. Discover the joy of modern living with exceptionally beautiful furnishing that stands the test of time. Very simple. It's literally a white background image. Oh, sorry. I didn't realize I was covering it. Let me move myself. And yeah, I mean, it's super simple, right? So you don't need extremely fancy ads all the time. The copywriting definitely carries this one right here, and obviously the brand name. But we have people in our community, in the Shopee Lab community, that are actually just running static ads for their product tests and are getting sales. In fact, our team member Chelsea, who, if you've applied to the accelerator and you've been able to get on a call with our team, you may have talked to her. She launched a store with the processes, which is insane. And she did her first $500 day yesterday. And the crazy thing is she's only using image ads. So she didn't rip any content. She didn't launch videos. She didn't have to learn how to edit videos or anything. She just made AI static ads. And yeah, she's been killing it. So that's super cool to see. So that's what I would do for this niche, right? I would actually just look at these guys, right? Look at their longest running ads and get inspiration from them. I really like this style where it's like stay cozy with modern classics. And it's just a really aesthetically pleasing image that really resonates with this niche. Modern harmony. I love that. Design a sanctuary for mind and body with modern classics offering exceptional comfort in a refined form. Super clean. So yeah, very, very clean. You can learn a lot from looking at the longest running ads of brands. The reason why is simply because if they've been active for longer, it largely means, or it most likely means, that they are performing well. Otherwise, they would turn them off. It's really that simple. But that is not always accurate, right? Because sometimes you can leave ads on accident in a campaign that you turned off. If you don't know about meta ads, I'll make a different video about that. But if you do know about meta ads, you know what I'm talking about. All in all, beautiful brand, beautiful market. I love what they're doing. They're crushing it. Super simple, minimal. I mean, this isn't a new brand by any means. These guys are worth, I believe billions, maybe not. Let's see. Herman Miller revenue. Let's see what we got here. So oh my gosh. So net sales of 3.7 billion. That is insane. But it's a part of the unified company Miller Knoll. So they're actually a public company, interestingly enough. And I guess Miller Knoll owns a bunch of other brands as well. So, they got this holding company model, which is pretty cool. Definitely a popular thing these days, especially in the age of AI. But all in all, I think we kind of covered everything. They do get 2.9 million monthly viewers on Pinterest. I think in this niche, Pinterest is huge. I would create some easy AI automations to create pins all the time. And, if you just stack like 10 to 100 pins a day, you're probably going to stack a lot of monthly viewers on your pins. And then, of course, whatever performs the best, you can repost on other platforms like they're doing. They have such a beautiful aesthetic. I seriously love what they're doing. This is just perfect to me. But you see, everybody resonates with different things. So that's why you got to stop overthinking competition so much all the time and stop being scared of launching your ideas, because at the end of the day, even just your unique touch, even if it's just down to like a new font that you use on your store, that alone can be the difference between someone shopping on your store versus someone else. Sometimes it's really that simple. But oftentimes it's even simpler than that. It's just because you showed your ad to the right person at the right time to get them to buy from you as opposed to someone else. That's why Meta is so powerful, because that's the process that's happening in the back end with their machine learning, which is only getting better. They just acquired Manus AI, which is a research agent you can use. So, I don't know exactly how they're going to tie that in with Meta and their ad platform, but at the end of the day, I just know that Meta ads are only going to get better from here. So you should learn them sooner than later. And if you want to learn them with us in our community, you should join ShopeeLab.ai. We have courses, we have live calls, we have all these amazing software tools that you can use. But if you don't want to do that, you can also join our Discord for free. You can also continue to join my live streams, watch my videos, ask me questions in the comments, send me a DM on Instagram. You can do a lot for free, guys. We're living in the best time to be launching stuff. You don't need to pay anybody anything. Just, invest in yourself, in your business. But of course, if you do want to use it, I welcome you with open arms. We have an amazing community. We get a lot of great results. You can see what people are saying. If you want to pause, people that have never done e-commerce before in their lives are coming into the community and crushing it with very, very lean systems. So that's about it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you got some interesting value out of it. I wanted to dive deeper into this brand, and I'm pleasantly surprised. I love the aesthetic that I discovered here. I actually never looked into it until just today. So thank you for encouraging me to make this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.